Hey guys, so quick video for you on how you can connect your Dell laptop to TV. So it's super simple. This is how you need to do it. So first thing what you need is you can have Dell laptop HDMI. So look for your laptop, Dell laptop, where you're gonna find something like this HDMI there. It's going to like be here, or it's going to be here. So you want to look and search for the HDMI on your laptop. And then what you need to do, you need to have a HDMI cable. And what you need to do is that you need to connect the HDMI cable to your TV HDMI port. So you can have HDMI to HDMI, and this is how we're going to do it. Super simple. So you're going to have HDMI, a laptop to HDMI port on your TV. But what can happen is that you're not going to have HDMI, you are going to have only DisplayPort or VGA port. Then you just need to have adapter. So you're going to connect the VGA to the HDMI, something like this. So one connection is VGA, one is HDMI, and you connect the VGA to the HDMI on your TV. So hope it helps.